Hi everyone, welcome to Cocosenor, and today I will teach how to password protect your USB flash drives without BitLocker. Cocosenor USB Lock Tuner can quickly encrypt your USB drive without using BitLocker on a Windows computer. Plug your USB drive into the Windows computer. Then get a USB lock tuner on your computer. Open the software. Click the Encrypt tab. Well, the USB drive is detected by the software. Select the USB drive. Set the encryption password and confirm it. Now click the Encrypt button. Hit Yes to proceed. Wow, the USB content is encrypted successfully. That's all. Thanks for watching.